Have you performed the pigeon pose before? If you have, I want you to double tap the screen right here. Double tap right here. And if you haven't, it's okay, because I'm gonna show you how to perform the pigeon pose, but then I'm gonna also show you some variations of the pigeon pose to make it a little bit more dynamic and active. So let's get started. Regular pigeon pose, leg is up in this position and the other leg is out back. You can place your hands on the ground like this. You can come down to your forearms, and that is the pigeon pose. But now I want to throw in a little bit of variation, make it a little bit more dynamic. So let's start with our hands on the ground. We're in that starting pigeon pose position, and all we're gonna do now is slide our back foot further back. And now we're getting a little bit more of an intense stretch on the hip. We can return back to the starting position and slide back. If you want to make that a little bit tougher, all we have to do is slide our foot back. Now I want you to lift your hands off of the ground, push your shin and your foot down into the ground, and that's going to help bring your body up. And that's going to make the hips a little bit stronger while you stretch it out. Hands on the ground, let's repeat. Slide back, feel the stretch, hands up, slide back up. If you're like, that's way too easy, Joe, and you want to take it up another notch, no hands at all. Hands up, slide back, and then back forward into that starting position, and back into this position. I'll show it to you from the side. So this is kind of the normal pigeon pose position, and then all we're going to do is slide back, hands up, just like this. Or you can slide back and no hands. Look, Mom, no hands. And that is it. So a few variations to really spice up your pigeon pose. If you like this video, make sure you like it. You double tap the screen, comment down below, and then tag a friend to give these pigeon pose variations a try.